Indirapuram is a rapidly growing area in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, and has become a hub for various construction projects. With the increasing demand for infrastructure development, the need for detail engineering survey services in Indirapuram has also increased. These services play a crucial role in ensuring the successful execution of construction projects by providing accurate and precise data for planning and design. Detail engineering survey services in Indirapuram encompass a range of activities that involve capturing, analyzing, and interpreting data related to the project site. This includes conducting topographic surveys to determine the existing conditions of the land, including its elevation, contours, and features. These surveys help in identifying any potential challenges or constraints that may affect the design and construction process. One of the key components of detail engineering survey services in Indirapuram is the establishment of control points. These points serve as reference markers that are used to ensure accuracy and consistency throughout the surveying process. By establishing control points, surveyors can accurately measure distances, angles, and elevations, which are essential for creating detailed engineering plans and designs. In addition to topographic surveys and control point establishment, detail engineering survey services in Indirapuram also include conducting boundary surveys. These surveys are conducted to accurately determine the legal boundaries of a property or land parcel. This information is crucial for ensuring compliance with local regulations and avoiding any disputes or legal issues in the future. Furthermore, detail engineering survey services in Indirapuram also involve conducting construction staking surveys. By accurately staking out these elements on the ground, contractors can ensure that they are built according to the design plans and specifications. A hub for numerous construction projects, Indirapuram is a rapidly expanding neighborhood in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. Detail engineering survey services are now more necessary in Indirapuram due to the rising need for infrastructure development. Through the provision of precise and reliable data for planning and design, these services are essential to the effective completion of building projects. The actions involved in gathering, evaluating, and interpreting data pertaining to the project site are included in the detail engineering survey services offered in Indirapuram. This entails performing topographic surveys to ascertain the terrain's current conditions, including its height, contours, and features. These surveys assist in locating any potential issues or limitations that might influence the design and construction process. Establishing control points is a crucial part of detail engineering survey services in Indirapuram. The accuracy and uniformity of the surveying procedure are ensured by using these points as reference markers. Establishing control points allows surveyors to precisely measure the distances, angles, and elevations needed to produce correct engineering drawings and designs. Detail engineering survey services